Dreambaby's Strollerbuddy EZY-Fit phone holder is perfect for having your phone close at hand while you're out and enjoying time with baby. You can have your phone handy for photos and quick calls, and it will make it easy to stay connected anywhere, anytime. The smartphone holder easily attaches to the handlebar of any stroller and ensures that your device is always within reach while you walk with your child. It's universally compatible with strollers and most smartphones. It has a full 360-degree rotatable view thanks to the clever ball joint. It can be used horizontally or vertically. It's easy to mount. To attach, wrap the strap around the stroller handlebar. Thread through the buckle and firmly secure the hook and loop fabric. Open the feet. Press open levers to release the grabber arm and securing button. And push your phone against the securing button to activate the securing arms. And when it's time to remove your phone, simply press the open levers to release. Also suitable for shopping carts, push bikes, most wheelchairs, walkers, and so much more. This is not only a great gift for yourself, it's a great baby shower gift as well.